What if I told you that Tesla's real secret weapon isn't its batteries or its software? What if it's a machine the size of a small building that builds a car in less time than it takes to watch a TV show? While traditional automakers are still painstakingly welding together hundreds of parts, Tesla is stamping out huge sections of a car in a single piece. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a manufacturing revolution that threatens to leave the competition in the dust. And in this video, we're going to break down exactly how. This is a story about a massive disruption in how cars are made. For 100 years, the assembly line has been a complex dance of robots and human workers. That era is coming to an end. Tesla's ultimate weapon is a giant machine called a Gigapress, and it builds cars with a speed and efficiency that once seemed like science fiction. This gives Tesla a huge cost advantage, one that could spell doom for the old guard of the auto world. Forget the EV race. The real war is being won on the factory floor. To really get the scale of Tesla's leap, you have to understand just how cars have been built for the last century. The traditional method is a kind of organized chaos, a process so complex it's amazing it works at all. It starts with giant rolls of steel fed into massive stamping presses. With thunderous force, these presses punch out hundreds of individual body panels, the floor, the pillars, the fenders, a huge list of separate parts. Then, all those pieces have to be joined together. This body-in-white stage is where the real complexity begins. Picture a factory floor with hundreds, sometimes over 1,000 robotic arms on a single assembly line. Their only job is to perform a dizzying ballet of welding, riveting, and bonding. A typical car body can have between 4,000 and 6,000 individual weld points. Every single weld is a potential point of failure, a spot that could compromise the car's structure. The cost of buying and maintaining this robot army is staggering. This process isn't just complex, it's inefficient. A traditional assembly line is only as fast as its slowest step. Any delay, a machine malfunction, a part not arriving on time can bring the whole multi-billion-dollar operation to a halt. Every time a new model is introduced, automakers have to spend billions on new tooling, new dies for the presses, and reprogramming all those robots. This makes the industry incredibly slow to adapt, which is a death sentence in today's fast-moving world. And then there's the fragile global supply chain. A traditional car is a mix of components from hundreds of different suppliers, each with its own factory and its own problems. We all saw how this can go wrong during the semiconductor shortage, where the lack of a single tiny chip idled entire car plants for weeks. At its core, traditional car manufacturing was built for another time, an era of cheap energy and stable supply chains. It was designed for gas cars, where the body was built around a big, heavy engine. Now, in the age of EVs, that old philosophy is being stretched to its breaking point. Legacy automakers are trying to fit a new, simpler technology, the electric powertrain, into an old, complicated, and expensive manufacturing box, and that box is starting to collapse. The second front is the market itself. The old guard from Detroit, Germany, and Japan no longer rules. They have to deal with Tesla, which has redefined the modern car, and now a flood of new, aggressive competitors, especially from China. Companies like BYD not only surpassed Tesla in global all-electric vehicle sales in 2025, but are also innovating at a blistering pace. These new players are offering compelling, tech-forward EVs at great prices, stealing market share in key places like Europe and Asia. This fierce competition is crushing prices and profits. We've seen legacy brands struggle with embarrassing software glitches and production delays on their big EV launches. Some are getting closer to making a profit on their EVs, but the pressure is relentless. The third front is inside their own factories. They're trying to build 21st-century electric cars with 20th-century methods. They're trying to shove sleek, skateboard-style battery packs into bodies designed for an engine and a transmission tunnel. The result is an inefficient Frankenstein of a process. They are saddled with outdated factories, old supplier agreements, and a workforce trained for a kind of manufacturing that is quickly becoming obsolete. This combination of massive spending, brutal competition, and inefficient production has created a financial vice that gets tighter every quarter. The profits they once took for granted are vanishing. Their greatest strength, their massive industrial scale, has become their biggest weakness. They're like dinosaurs watching a meteor streak across the sky, and that meteor is being forged inside a Gigapress. Faced with this crisis, Tesla's solution is almost insultingly simple, yet brutally effective. It's not a small tweak, it's a total reinvention of how to build a car, and at the heart of it is a machine of monumental scale, the Gigapress. Calling it a machine is an understatement. Developed with the Italian company Idra Group, the Gigapress is a colossal piece of engineering the size of a small building. The presses in Tesla's Gigafactories exert a clamping force of up to 9,000 metric tons. To put that in perspective, that's like the weight of 1,500 elephants focused on a single point. And there are persistent rumors of even larger presses in the works. The purpose of all this power is die casting. The Gigapress injects a shot of molten aluminum weighing between 80 and 100 kilograms and heated to over 750 degrees Celsius at incredible speed. The press clamps down with that immense force, and the metal solidifies in seconds. The whole cycle from injection to ejection can take as little as 80 to 90 seconds. This single action is what makes Tesla's manufacturing so revolutionary. Where a traditional automaker stamps and welds over 70 different parts to create the rear underbody of a car, Tesla simply presses one. For the Model Y, this innovation immediately eliminated hundreds of welds and the robots needed to make them. It erases thousands of potential points of error. Suddenly, you don't need the logistics for 70 different parts, you just need molten aluminum. The factory space shrinks, the process gets faster, cheaper, and results in a better product. The single-piece casting is lighter, which improves range, and it's stiffer, which improves safety and handling. But the Gigapress is just the start. It's the key that enables an even deeper manufacturing philosophy Tesla calls the unboxed process, for which it has been granted a patent. Tesla is moving away from the century-old linear assembly line entirely. Think of the old way like building a ship in a bottle, slowly adding parts in a specific order. The unboxed method is more like building with Legos. Because the Gigapress creates large, simple structural parts, Tesla can build the car in parallel modular chunks. In one area, the front underbody is assembled. In another, the single-piece rear casting is being outfitted. At the same time, the doors and interior are built as separate modules. These large subassemblies are then brought together for a final, simple marriage. There's no more need for robots to awkwardly reach inside a car frame. The work is done on open, accessible modules, which is faster for both robots and human workers. Tesla's goal with this method is to slash the factory footprint by over 40% and boost production speed by 30% or more. The numbers coming out of this new process are staggering. At Giga Shanghai, reports suggest a new Model Y can roll off the line roughly every 40 seconds. At Giga Berlin, a Model Y can be assembled in under 10 hours, a feat significantly faster than the industry average. The cost savings are just as dramatic. By consolidating dozens of parts into one, Tesla reportedly slashed the costs of the Model Y's rear body section by 40%. This relentless drive for efficiency is what has allowed Tesla's production cost to plummet. Back in 2017, it cost Tesla a reported $84,000 to produce one car. By 2024, that number had fallen to around $36,000. This is the direct result of reinventing manufacturing itself. This is Elon Musk's vision of the factory as the machine that builds the machine come to life. The Gigapress and the unboxed method aren't just an improvement, they represent a completely different evolutionary path for manufacturing. Tesla is no longer just a few steps ahead, they are on a different track entirely. The advantages they're building now may be impossible for legacy automakers to overcome. First, there's the head start. While competitors like GM, Hyundai, and Volvo are now talking about adopting gigacasting, they are years behind. They are just starting to place orders for the machines. Tesla is already on its second or third generation of the process, collecting real-world data from its factories and perfecting everything from its aluminum alloys to its mold designs. By the time competitors make their first part, Tesla will be pushing the boundaries even further. The knowledge gap is not just wide, it's getting wider. But the problem for the competition is deeper than just a technology gap. You can't just buy a Gigapress and plug it in. To use it properly, you have to completely re-engineer your cars, your factories, and your entire corporate philosophy. This creates a terrible catch-22 for legacy automakers. To truly compete, they would have to abandon their existing multi-billion-dollar factories, which are designed for the old linear process. They'd have to tear up supplier contracts built around providing hundreds of small parts. They would have to retrain or replace a massive workforce. In short, they'd have to destroy their old business to build a new one. For a large public company with quarterly earnings reports, that's a terrifying, paralyzing thought. Tesla never had this baggage. They started with a blank slate. Their vertical integration is another huge advantage. By designing the process, the car, the software, and even the specialized aluminum alloys in-house, Tesla has a level of control and agility its rivals can't match. Finally, this manufacturing revolution is the key to Tesla's ultimate goal, the mass-market, affordable EV. The planned next-generation vehicles, sometimes called the Model 2 or Cybercab, are being designed from day one around this unboxed process. The aspirational goal is to produce a vehicle for around $25,000 and to do it profitably. This is only possible because of the radical cost reductions from gigacasting and parallel assembly. Elon Musk has admitted the initial production ramp will be slow, but that it will eventually become insanely fast. This is the checkmate. Legacy automakers are already losing money on their expensive EVs. How can they possibly compete with a $25,000 Tesla that's built faster, more efficiently, and at a higher profit margin than their own gas cars? They are trapped, forced to choose between selling EVs at a huge loss or giving up the entire mass market to Tesla. The Gigapress isn't just building car parts, it's forging an economic weapon that threatens to dismantle the financial foundation of any automaker stuck in the past. If you think this manufacturing leap is as mind-blowing as we do, hit that like button. Let us know in the comments, can any traditional automaker actually catch up, or is the race already over? And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the tech that's changing our world, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. So, the real secret to Tesla's empire isn't just sleek designs or self-driving promises. It's buried deep in the factory, in the thunderous clap of a colossal press. The EV race was never just about batteries or software. Those were just battles. The real war is for production efficiency. We saw how the old way of building cars, a century-old dance of stamping and welding, has become a crippling liability for legacy automakers, squeezing them between the high cost of the EV transition and an onslaught of new competition. Then we saw Tesla's solution, the Gigapress and the unboxed manufacturing process. This isn't a small step, it's a paradigm shift that enables a level of speed and cost reduction the industry has never seen. While others are still playing by last century's rules, Tesla is playing a different game entirely. They aren't just building cars, they are building a future where the cost to make an EV is so low it will render traditional manufacturing obsolete. The tremors from this earthquake are just starting to be felt, but for many big names in the auto industry, the ground is about to give way.